Good evening, everybody. This is Will from Attack's Box Breaks. This box is brought to you by myself and blowoutcards.com. Please check out their website. They got a lot of good products on there. They got a great forum, very informative. So I'll let this run for 10 seconds, and then we'll be breaking open this box. Alright guys, I'm going to run down the list of the teams again, and then we'll break. Brian has the Ravens, Brandon has the Steelers, Jeff has the Vikings, Brian has the Raiders, Brian has the Lions, Brian has the Dolphins, Brandon has the Eagles, Brandon has the Titans, Brandon has the Patriots, Jeff's got the Bills, Brian's got the Rams, Brandon's got the Chiefs, Brian's got the Jets, Kevin's got the Chargers, Brian's got the Redskins, Kevin's got the Cardinals, Fade's got the Broncos, Kevin's got the Bears, Jeff's got the Saints, Fade has the Bengals, Kevin has the Seahawks, and Jacob has the Texans. The rest of the teams are mine. And let's break this box open and see what we get out of it. Alright guys, here we go. Sorry John, I can't really do that. Alright guys, panini wrapping, as you see, watermarks on it. Checklist on top. 1, 2, 3, 4 packs. Box is empty. Alright, here we go. Pack number 1. First card is for the Falcons, Rodney White. Next, we have a redemption, which, guys, I know they say 4/27/2012 on them. Trust me, Panini will take them. And this is for a rookie patch signature, and it's number 205. Get the checklist out here. 205 is Gerald McCoy. I'll find out who he's for, and I'll let you guys know. Next, we have Corey Wooden for the Bears. Next card is another Bears card, Rick Caesars for the Bears. Next we have a Steve Smith for the Panthers. Last card is a Ryan Fitzgerald for the Bills. Next pack. First card is Mark Sanchez for the New York Jets. And our first hit is a Matt Ryan for the Falcons. Jersey card. That's numbered 44 out of 299. 44 out of 299. Matt Ryan for the Falcons. Jersey card. King of the NFL. Next we have a Tadellus Lewis for the Rams. Then we have a Calvin Johnson Jr. blue, which is also numbered, and that is number 26 out of 100. 26 out of 100 for the Lions, Calvin Johnson Jr. Next, we have another Calvin Johnson Jr. NFL King, the NFL Kings. I don't think that's numbered. No, it is not. And last, we have a Deshaun Jackson for the Eagles. Next pack. First card is a Ben Roethlisberger. Next card is another patch card for the Ravens, Ray Lewis. And that is numbered 268 out of 299. 268 out of 299. Next we have Anthony McCoy for the Seahawks, rookie card. We have a Living Legends of Sonny Jurgensen for the Redskins. And then we have a Chicaro Concheri for the Jets. And last one in that pack is a D'Angelo Williams for the Panthers. First one, last pack, Percy Harvin for the Vikings. Then our second signature is a Ron Mix for the Chargers. And that is numbered 10 of 10. And the Chargers goes to, where my papers at? Chargers was number 14. Kevin, nice hit, Kevin. 10 of 10. That's an eBay 1 of 1 right there. Another blank. Next card is a Brody Eldridge for the Colts. The next card is a Jermaine Grissom for the Bengals. And we have an All-Pros Donald Driver for the Packers. And the last card is a Marquise Jones-Drew for the Jaguars. Well, guys, that's it. Let me see here. This Gerald guy that was the Redemption. I'll let you know who that is. Or who he's from. Let me stop recording here quick.